would have thought I got an install hoe? It's giving my hair, okay? It's giving all me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juanita if you're new here, and if you're returning, already know what it is. I do hair videos, vlogs, story times, mostly hair videos these days. Today is another hair video, and today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair. They had sent me this 20-inch curly wig. This is a curly V-part wig. If you're familiar with U-part wigs, this is supposed to be way more natural and like versatile with the parting. I'm really excited to try this because I do want to get into styling wigs. I feel like this is a good start. So Unice sent me this beautiful curly wig. With this V-part wig, you're able to leave out, or if you don't want to leave out, you don't have to. The way the part is constructed, it allows you to wear it both ways. I'm really excited to try out and show you guys how I style this. I tried it on a little bit, but I actually haven't blended it with my hair at all. There's so many cute styles you can do with this. You can do a side part, a middle part. I'm going to be doing a middle part because that's just generally how I wear my hair anyway. Honestly, this is a really cute protective style. It allows me to keep my hair wrapped up without me having to do it. It makes it easier than having to wear and set up and lay down a whole lace, and be able to take it off at night with ease and put it back on in the morning with ease. And that's what I love, easy. It's 150 density. This is definitely a true 20 inches and curly. I feel like it kind of is a bit longer when it's stretched out, which I like. We love all the length. I'm very new to wigs. I kind of have minimal experience. If I can lay this and get it to look right, then anybody can. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I'm going to prep my hair. I'm going to take off my hat. I have my hat on, and I didn't want to distract y'all because my hair looks a mess right now. I didn't want to gel it down at all because I feel like the clips will grab better if my hair is as voluminous and kind of curled up as it can be, just so that it can grab onto the curls on my root. When my hair was straight and I tried putting the wig on, it slid right off. Since we're going to be doing it with no leave out, I'm going to make sure my part is straight, and I want to tease this a little bit to give it even more security. I'm probably going to pin this back so that my hair doesn't slide out. I already have my edges laid out a little bit so that, you know, can, you know, peek out and give a more natural look. You don't have to leave edges out because the wig kind of lays over. Now I'm going to pin the back up. So this is the unit. It has 5 clips for the front of your hair, 1 clip for here, and then 2 clips for this side and 2 clips for this side. It has a comb for the bottom of your nape, an adjustable strap to make it tighter or looser. I have mine secured together because my head is a little small, so I do want it as tight as possible. I don't want it to slide back or off or anything. And then it has 2 side combs for right here, which give it extra security so that it's not sliding backwards. So it gives you a lot of security, and it's versatile because you don't have to wear it down the middle. I just wear my hair in the middle all the time anyway. You can put this to the side. You can adjust the amount of leave out you leave out and do a whole bunch of more styles with this. So first things first, I'm going to start by applying the back comb first, and then I'm going to add the side combs. I'm going to try to get them as close as possible, I think. Yeah, for the most security. It feels really secure already, so it's not going anywhere. And it doesn't hurt. It's pretty comfortable. So I think I want to tease my part a little bit. I just want to tangle it up a little bit just so it has something to grab onto, because my hair is a little thinner in the front than it is in the back. So now I'm just going to clip this forward close to my part as possible, with showing a little bit of, you know, you still want to show some skin. And then I'm going to clip the other side. Okay, this looks pretty good without leave out. Honestly, if you're doing a quick one too and you need to go somewhere, I personally will be wearing it with leave out. I saw some girls do like a teasing thing. I feel like the best method to do it without leave out would be an anchor braid. If you really take your time and like blend it, it's really not that bad. Okay, I like more natural looks, so I probably will be doing leave out around here and here for the second half of this video, and probably when I do wear this unit, because that's just how I am. I like the most natural look. If the wind blows or somebody were to pull up close to me, or the unit were to slide off a little bit, you know, I have my leave out protecting me. Play around with this just the right amount. You do not have to wear leave out with this. And I feel like you could even wear a hat. Hold up. This is perfect for the winter. This is cute. All right, like I said, if you're gonna do no leave out, I feel like anchor braids right here would be your best bet, so that the hair hooks on and it doesn't move at all. If you're not gonna do anchor braids, I would suggest leaving like a little leave out. And with the V part, it allows you to leave like the tiniest amount of leave out, so you won't even have to leave out that much of your hair. So we're gonna prep my hair with some leave out. I'm gonna take this unit off. All right, for the leave out, I'm gonna be not doing anything special. I'm not about to cornrow my hair or anything. I am going to be taking out a small amount of the front of my hair. Probably like no more than this on this side and the same on this side. And honestly, you could probably leave out less leave out than that. So I'm gonna leave out a little less. Now I'm just gonna twist this just to get it out of the way. I might go back a little bit further because the part is pretty deep, which helps it look more natural. And then I'm going to leave out some hair on the side. And for the back of my hair, I'm probably going to do just one braid down the middle and then pin it back up. And if I was going somewhere, I definitely would prep my hair a little better, add some moisturizer, some oils and stuff like that, just so my hair can be protected and, you know, staying moisturized underneath the unit. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do it this way. And now we're going to put this bad boy back on. This time we're going to anchor the hair behind where I left the leave-out out. Now I'm just gonna make sure this is clipped, make sure all the hair is clipped, and then we're gonna undo the leave out. I feel like the hardest part is blending it. And look at how much leave out is left. Literally nothing for leave out. So cute. And honestly, you don't have to leave front pieces out, like this part of your hair for leave out because, you know, just in case you don't really want to. But, you know, just in case the wind blows, for me, I want all the security I can get. You just want to play around, make sure the unit is secure before you start blending and stuff like that. This is how deep my part is, just to cover up the whole V part, but you really barely need any. That's crazy. This is definitely gonna be a wig for me that I'm gonna be wearing for sure. This is definitely a cute, quick wig. All right, let's get my hair to blend with this. Like if you have my hair texture or something tighter, you might have to like braid your hair up the night before and then just let the crinkly texture match with it better. I'd probably eventually be blowing and straightening this wig out and giving myself like a blown out sizzle look. All right, let's blend her. So instead of doing water, since I want the most weighed down, like so my hair is way more curly than this, I'm just gonna go in with gel right away and get it to be as flat as possible. It's actually blending pretty well. Especially I'm like blending it along with the curly, I'm putting a little bit of the hair from the unit along with my hair so that the curls kind of clump together, even though the curl textures are very different. And then I'm gonna do some in the front. It's giving, y'all. I honestly didn't think it was gonna blend so well, okay? And then I'm probably gonna put some mousse on the actual unit, get some of these curls to return. I like to leave it a little frizzy just because my hair is definitely more frizzy than this texture. So I'm probably gonna let some curls form, let it dry, and then I would probably like, you know, fluff it out a little bit. But for the purpose of blending it, I want to get the curls to clump together as much as I can. Can y'all see that? It's not a perfect match, but I feel like if you braided it overnight, it would be almost perfect. This is my hair. And then this is the unit hair. Really cute. All right, let's do the other side. Let me make sure all this is blended. And then we're gonna do some edges. And I feel like not wetting my hair helps it not all the way shrink back, so it helps the curl kind of dry a little looser. So there is shedding, but nothing too major. When I dye the unit black, it will blend even better. My hair does not have this red tinge to it, so I probably, yeah, once it's dyed black, you won't be able to tell even as much as you can now, which you can't even barely tell now. Now I'm gonna take my favorite brush. Nah. What wig? You can even put a little bit of edge control on the roots just to even keep them a little flatter. So I'm probably gonna do that. with my edge booster after I put some mousse on the unit. I'm just gonna take some of this Sprunch, never heard that word, mousse and leave-in conditioner. This is 24-hour curl lock. This will be my first time using this. I'm not gonna go crazy with the mousse because I kind of like the curl pattern that I have. Like, I like the frizzier look. I just want it to dry more seamlessly with my own hair. Y'all, it's giving lace fronts without the lace. Let's do the other side. I feel cute. And this leave-in conditioner mousse feels really nice on the hair. It smells really good too. And what I would probably do is just try to put some of my hair under the unit here, so it'll dry curly, but you know, still put this texture over my hair, and I feel like that helps the blend even more. Since you only had to leave such a little bit of leave out, it's easier to mix in the two textures together. This is cute, and if you let the hair stay frizzy a little bit, it even looks more natural to me, depending on what kind of look you want to give. I might even just tuck some behind my ear. That's how I kind of wear my washi goes anyway. No, this is cute. Let me get my edge control. An edge booster is really good for laying like edges and stuff, especially if you wanted to just use it for your part, and it'll give you more of a sleeker look, so your hair won't revert all the way to its texture. Just for the blend. We love our texture, but we want it to blend the best, you know? What wig? This is my hair. This is my hair. Y'all, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. Okay, I'm getting excited because honestly, I thought it was gonna be way harder, I'm not gonna lie. And I like edge booster because it leaves a little bit of shine. I don't want it too flat, I still want it to look a little lifted up. And then what I'm gonna do, like, you know how girls with frontals, you always see their hair like it's brushed up a little bit, like this, like it's pushed. I'll show you. It's always like this, like that, so it has a little space. It's not flat against your head. It's giving a little volume. You would have thought I got an install hoe. Huh? Oh, I'm happy because this is so easy, first of all, and it looks really, really good. Like, y'all, please tell me where my hair is. Oh, it all is my hair. This is my hair. And if I play with my leave out even more, I can make this even more unclockable. But what, just this quick, like 1, 2, this took me no time, 10 minutes. I definitely will be wearing this unit this winter and trying out so many styles with it. This is mad cute. Let's get into it, okay? I feel like you could definitely get away with this unit, even if you wanted to leave more leave out. Like, this is really cute. Like, it's giving my hair, okay? It's giving all me. All right, so this is the end of the video. I feel like if I spent even more time on it, I could get this looking even more natural. But y'all see how much I did in this little bit of time, how natural it looks, how quick that was versus laying down a whole lace. I feel like if you guys are in a rush or don't have time to go get your hair done or whatever, I feel like this is the perfect wig to give you a look. There's so many styles you can do. You could do a side part. I've seen somebody do a half up, half down with this unit. This is just really cute. And for somebody that is not like that well versed in laying wigs and stuff like that, and how easy this was for me, I definitely suggest that you purchase this wig. And I'm not just saying that because this video is sponsored. This is something I definitely would have spent my own money on. I suggest that you buy this wig. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. I'm definitely going to be experimenting with more wigs. I'm really excited because y'all, I'm obsessed. I can't wait. So make sure you follow Unice Hair on Instagram. Check out their website. They have so many wigs that are not even V-part as well. But if you guys are interested in this wig is on there, and the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stiff wear. Okay.